Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto updates on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just go to settings and after that go to general and after that go to software update. And as you can see, the first option is automatic updates. You have just to click on it. And after that, turn that option off. And if you don't want it also to download in an automatic way, you can turn also this one off. And like that, auto update on iPhone will be turned off. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.